Hey there. Are you ready to learn how you can make money using AI tools in 2023? Let's dive in. Subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to watch more informative videos related money making online. First things first, understand that AI is going to revolutionize the world of work, and you need to get on board if you want to maximize your earning potential. There are various AI-powered tools available that can help you in different ways. One way to make money is by creating and selling AI-powered platforms. With AI, you can develop smart applications that can predict user behavior, automate tasks, and improve efficiency. Not only will these platforms benefit your business, but they could also generate a significant revenue stream. Another way to make money using AI is by investing in AI-based stocks. As the technology continues to evolve, the demand for AI-based solutions will only grow, making these stocks a potentially profitable investment. Additionally, you can use AI-powered tools to streamline your workflows, allowing you to focus on revenue-generating activities. For instance, AI-based chatbots can handle customer queries, freeing up your time to focus on generating leads and closing deals. Finally, you can also offer AI-based consulting services. Many businesses are looking to incorporate AI technology into their operations but don't know how to get started. By offering your expertise and services, you can help these companies leverage AI tools and generate revenue while doing so. In conclusion, there are various ways to make money using AI tools in 2023. Whether you're developing AI-powered platforms, investing in AI-based stocks, leveraging AI-powered tools, or offering AI-based consulting services, staying ahead of the curve in this technological revolution can open up a world of opportunities for you.